Alright guys, good morning, magandang umaga, magandang hapon para sa atin lahat. Yan, today, ako nga bagong lahat, ako pala si Sir Dan, and I am from New Era High School. And if you are new and watching my vid, please click like and subscribe bago tayo magsimula. And I hope today guys, you are ready to learn, especially my grade 9 students. Yan, ang pag-aaralan natin today o ang ituturo ni Sir ngayon ay ang quadratic function. Madali lang ito, no? Kailangan lang natin siyempre mag-pay attention. So, kailangan ano lang tayo, makikinig lang maigi. Okay, so ano ba ang nating matututunan ngayong araw? Number one is we're going to define quadratic functions. Okay, ano ba yung quadratic functions? Okay, number two, of course, we're going to write quadratic function in y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and y is equal to a times x minus h raised to 2 plus k. So, yung forms na yan na yung unang nating target for today is we can rewrite no any quadratic function in these two kind of forms or two forms. Then number three, of course, we're going to identify ano ba yung minimum or maximum value of a given quadratic function. Of course, the vertex, the domain, range, and the line of symmetry of a quadratic function. So medyo maraming overload ang ating information. But I hope you guys can cope up. So para sa atin to. So let's continue. Okay, quadratic functions. A quadratic function is an equation of the form f of x, x squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, or with a not equal to 0, or a should not be equal to 0. Parang quadratic function and quadratic inequality lang siya rin. Ang pagkakaiba lang, we have the function of x, no? So, if you kung nalilito ka, ano ba ibig sabihin ng f of x niyan? Ayaw mo makakita niyan. Sige, that f of x can also be written as y. So, yan natin yan. So, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, yan yung ating form. Or, pwede rin ganito yan, no? Pero, what I am trying to say, if f of x can be written as y, ito yun, no? So, para lang alam natin, no? That f of x, no? F of x, okay? F of x is also equal to y. Yan. So, y is, so pwede natin i-interchange silang dalawa. So, para mas madali, we can rewrite f of x. So, y. Okay? So, yan. So, wag malilito. Okay? So, let's continue. Okay? Alright. So, ang first task natin is rewrite or transform natin itong quadratic equation, a function, in the form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Yeah. Number one, we have y equal minus x plus 5 equals the quantity of x minus 2 raised to 2 or squared. So, ang gagawin natin is to isolate yung y doon sa left side. Dapat mag-isa lang siya doon. So, meaning to say, transpose natin yung iba. But the first step is we have, what is this? Ayan. Yung y minus x plus 5 is equal to, ano ibig sabihin ng x minus 2 raised to 2? Ibig sabihin yan, imumultiply mo yan sa sarili niya. So, x minus 2 times x minus 2. Yan. I hope you guys know, used na kayo dun sa pag-foil method. Ito, ipo-foil method natin ito. Ha? So, yan, imumultiply mo yan dyan. Yung katulad pa rin ang ginagawa natin doon sa naunang mga lesson. Okay. So, we have y minus x plus 5 equals, if you multiply this one, you will have the product of x squared minus 4x plus 4. Add lang natin itong dalawa. Negative 2 plus negative 2, that is equal to negative 4. And then negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. So, yun yung ating shortcut mo na. Kung ayaw mo mag-FOIL method or para mas mabilis. Okay. And then afterwards, ang goal natin is to isolate yung value ng yung y on the left side. And all of the terms here should be transposed to the other side of the equation. So, yan. Transpose natin yan. Okay, so, we will have y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Negative x will go to the other side. So, magiging positive side. Change the sign na lang tayo. Okay? And then, positive 5 will be negative 5. And just combine these two. O yung similar terms. So, you will have y equals x squared. And then negative 4x plus 1x. So, that's negative 4 plus positive 1. That is equal to negative 3x. Okay, and then we have 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5, okay, that is negative 1. So your quadratic function in the form of y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is y equals x squared minus 3x minus 1. Napakadali, no? Napaka-easy. Okay? Ano lang, manipulate mo lang yung equation. Okay. Number 2. So, gagayahin. Ito naman, number 2, all same lang. Just repeat the process. So, you have here, x plus 1 times x plus 1. Add mo lang, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So, magiging x plus 1 times x plus 1 yan. Then equals, add lang, no? Parang ganito lang yan, no? 1 plus 1, 2. 1 times 1, 1. Kaya magiging x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. And then, ililipat natin itong negative 2x and positive 3. Na-transpose mo lang yan. So, you will have y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. So, negative 2x will go here. No? Negative 2x will go here. And that is positive 2x. Okay. Then positive 3 will go here. So you will have negative 3. Okay. And then combine natin yung similar terms. No? Just combine these two. Combine similar terms. You will have y equals x squared plus 4x. Then 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 here. We have negative 2. Okay? And then, of course, your quadratic equation in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c will be y equals x squared plus 4x minus 2. Easy. Easy peasy. Okay. And this one naman, magta-transform naman tayo na yan. Each quadratic function in the form of y equals a times x minus h raised to 2 plus k. Okay. Paano po yan? Gagawin lang natin ito. So you have y equals 3x squared plus 12x minus 3. Ang goal natin yan, first, kunin mo muna si a, b, c. If you are transforming a quadratic function in this form, okay, yan, kukunin mo si a, b, and c. And then, ito yung goal mo. Why do you have to get a? Kasi here, may a ka na, no? So, ito, papalitan mo na lang ito. Si a. So, you have a. And then, in your formula, you have a. So, ito, palitan mo na lang. Ano na lang yung kulang natin? H at saka k na lang. So, ang goal natin is, ito na lang, kunin natin ito si h. At saka kunin natin si k. Paano natin siya kukunin? We have this formula for h and k. H is equal to negative b all over 2a over 2a. Yan, kunin natin. So, you have h negative b. Ang b natin ay 12. Kaya palit natin yan. And don't forget, kailangan, don't forget yung parenthesis. Okay? Para, then remove the parenthesis by multiplying the signs. Okay? So, ito ay a mo ay 3. Okay. Ayan. Tingin ko lang ito. So, negative times positive, that is negative 12 over, what's this? 2 times 3, 6. Where do we have b here? Of course, negative 12 divided by 6, that is negative 2. So, itong h na to, yan, pupunta natin yan dito. Lalagay natin sa value na h. And don't forget to write the parenthesis. So, you have x minus, kasi on our formula, negative siya talaga dito. Okay? Or in our function. Ito yun, no? Okay. Then, let's have the value of k. K, we have k is equal to 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. So, ang k natin naman, ganun din, substitute lang natin yung value ng ating ABC. So, we have 4. A natin here is 3. Okay. Then C is negative 3. Then B is 12. Then A is 8. So, yan yung ating substitution na ginamit, no? Then, evaluate na natin yan. Multiplying. So, K, we have 4 times 3, that's positive 12, times negative 3 is negative 36, minus 12 square is 144. So, we have negative 36 minus 144 divided by 12. If I combine this one, combine lang natin ito. And that is equal to negative 15. Why? Because ito na yun, no? Lagay natin doon. So, negative 15. Okay? Kasi we have negative 36 minus 144. That's negative 180. Okay? Nuli ko talaga siya para tanong ko, paano naging 12? Okay. Ito yung reason natin. So, negative 180 divided by 12. So, we have here, ito na yun, palitan natin yung h natin. Okay? Babalitan lang natin. Ito, negative ito, times negative. That's why positive tayo. The positive times negative is negative. So, we have yung ating form, y equals 3 times x plus 2 minus 15, where a is 3, h is negative 2, and then k is negative 15. Okay. Okay, madali lang yan, ano? Palakpakan naman, no? Madali lang yan. Kaya natin yan. Okay. Huwag susuko. Next tayo. Yan. Number 2. Siyempre, kayo naman ang gagawa niyan. Tatry nyo. Paano gagawin yun, sir? Nakalimutan na namin, oh. Oops. Nagawin natin yung ginawa natin kanina. Yan. Paano ba yung ginawa kanina? Susundan nyo muna yan. Ang unang gagawin is to get the value of A, B, and C. So, what's A, B, and C? I-rewrite nyo muna yan sa y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So, paano yun? You should have, ito dapat yung sagot. Okay, kung yan ang sagot mo, palakpakan mo yung sarili mo. No? Again, no, students, from time to time, no, if you can post the video, please do so para naman na-challenge niyo yung sarili niyo. Okay. And then afterwards, ang sunod natin gagawin is find the value of A, B, and C. Okay. So you have A equals negative 2, B equals negative 4, and C equals 4. Yan. Siyempre, kunin mo na si, solve for H and K. Okay. Kunin natin yan. After just post the video, try nyo yung sarili nyo, no? Para if makuha mo yung tamang sagot sa H. Okay? yan, after continue na tayo, h should be -1. If you get it correctly, very good, no? Kung hindi mo na nakuha ng tama, just balikan mo lang yung sign, o baka ang sagot mo is +1. Don't forget lang, no? Multiply the signs. Use always parentheses. Always use parentheses. Yan. So, ang ating naman sunod, k is equal to 6. So, kung tama yung sagot mo, nakuha mo si 6, very good. And then, of course, ipapalit na natin yan doon sa gagawin na natin siyang y equals a times x minus h raised to 2. So, yan ang ating final answer. Negative yung ating h, kaya ito ay magiging plus. Pero kung yan ay positive, minus yung nandito. Okay? So, yan. So, kung may yung mga tanong, comment lang kayo dun sa comment section. I-replyan natin yan kung may tanong lang po. Yan. Sige, tuloy natin. So, meron tayong dalawang klaseng form of quadratic function. The first one is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And then the second one is y equals a times x minus h raised to 2 plus k. Alamin natin yung mga ibig sabihin ng mga ito. Okay, para saan ba ito? Ito yung ating pinakamahalaga, no? Mahalaga yung ax squared plus bx plus c, pero mas mahalaga for me, ito kasi ito yung maraming information na nandito. Okay? Marami tayong information dyan. Ano ba yung information dyan? Para saan ba yan? Okay? This form is what we call the vertex form. Ano ba yung vertex? Okay. Ano po ba yung vertex? Yan. Kasi, if meron tayong y no, nasa graph na yan, pwede na natin siyang i-graph. But today, hindi tayo mag-graph. The next lesson or next video na gagawin ko is graphing quadratic function. Pero alamin muna natin yung mga information na nandiyan. Okay. Yan. Ang graph ng isang quadratic function, no, ay parabola. Yun yung parabola, no? Ito yung itsura ng parabola. Yung para siyang sa McDonald's, no? The London Bridge, yung mga bridge natin, no? Merong yan, San Juanico Bridge. So makikita kayo dyan, yung pattern ng ating parabola. Yung parabola, merong 4 na klase yan, no? Pwedeng pa ganun, no? Meron din naman pa ganun. Pakita ko, meron tayong parabola na pa ganito, pataas, meron ganyan. Then, ito meron din tayong ganyan, ano? Pero hindi nyo pasakop yan. Okay? Ito muna tayo sa upward tsaka downward. Hindi tayo po yan. Okay. So, since parabola tayo, parabola lang muna. Ang parabola can open upward and downward. Kailan mag-open upward? Yan. Kailan lang itsura niya ganito. So, upward, pag ganon. Downward, pag ganon. And itong point na yan, ito yung point na yan, yung nasa dulo, no? Yan yung tinatawag nating vertex. Yan. Ano ba yung vertex? Ito yun. Yan, no? Parabola, no? Huwag natin kalimutan that the graph of a quadratic function is a parabola. Okay? And yung vertex, yan yung ating HK. Sa graph mo, yan yung pinamahalaga yung vertex. Kasi yung vertex, no, yan ang sabi kong siya yung pinaka highest point or lowest point ng isang parabola. So if you are here, yan yung pinakamataas kasi doon yung nasa baba. Ito naman, yung lowest point kasi may mga mataas pa doon. Okay. So yan yung ating information. And yung parabola din, no, yung parabola is symmetrical. Meaning to say, pag tinupi mo siya, magkaparehas sila. Okay? Yan, symmetrical. Same yung niya, structure niya. Para siyang kambal na o kalahati ng shape. Okay? Hinati yan sa gitna. Itong line na yan is the line of symmetry or equation of axis of symmetry, which is x equals h. So marami tayong information. Yung h, ginagamit natin yan para sa vertex. And then, para din sa axis of symmetry. Yung H na nandito, yung ordered pair dyan. Okay? Okay? And then, sama na natin to. The domain of a quadratic function is the set of all real numbers. Meaning to say, pwede yun si X. No? Lahat ng X, any real number, no, can be substituted to X. Yung Y, hindi. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. If A is negative or less than 0, negative, the opening of the graph is downward. Ito yung representation na A natin is negative. And the opening of the graph is downward. And then the range is Y such that Y, a set of Y such that Y is less than or equal to the value of K. So maraming value yung K natin dito at saka H, mahalaga yan. And then the maximum value, ito yung maximum value or minimum value. Maximum value ng K, ito yung nasa HK max kasi yun yung highest point. Okay. Kapag naman tayo ay positive, the opening of the graph is upward. Positive yung A mo. Okay, kapag ang range mo naman is the set of all Y such that Y is greater than or equal to K. And then minimum value. Minimum value, minimum point kasi ito yung pinaka lowest point ng parabola ng graph. Meron pang X dun. May mas mataas pa sa kanya. Okay. So, itong information na to, medyo marami-rami lang, no? Pero madali lang siyang tandaan. Okay? Kasi pag pinakuha mo na to, ang papractice natin, if you can transform a quadratic function in vertex form, ito, tawagin natin itong vertex form, meaning to say, mabibigay mo na itong mga information na kailangan mo. Okay? Even without graphing pa. Okay. Let's have an example. Okay? So identify the minimum or maximum value, vertex, range, equation of the axis of symmetry of the given quadratic function. So number 1, ito. Napaka-basic lang nito. Kasi nasa ano na yan, nasa naka-transform na. Ito yung ginawa natin kanina. Okay, vertex. Vertex natin is ito yun. Positive to siya. Kaya ang formula natin ay minus. Ibig sabihin ito ay negative. So, ang vertex natin will be negative 2 and negative 15. So, yan yung H mo. Tandaan nyo, pag positive to, that means yung H mo is negative. Pero pag negative yan, meaning to say, yung H mo is positive. Yan. Opening ng graph, titingin ka sa A. Diba? A is positive. No? Pag opening ng graph, opening ng graph, A is greater than 0 tayo dito, ha? Kasi positive yan. So, pag opening ng graph mo is upward yan. Okay? Upward. Maximum o minimum? Pag upward tayo, minimum. Okay? So, minimum value natin, ang minimum value natin is negative 15. Yung K natin, minimum value is negative 15 at X equals negative 2. Okay? Kasi ma-reach mo yung minimum value pag ito ang H, ang X mo. Equation of axis of symmetry. Ito rin yun. Karamihan ng information sa H and K lang. And then the range natin is Y such that Y is greater than or equal, no? Kapag ang ating ay positive, ibig sabihin yung ating range, ang gagamitin natin, greater than or equal. Okay? Napakadali lang. Kailangan lang natin ng paulit-ulit lang para masanayan lang natin. Okay. So we have number 2. Example na natin, no? Same lang sila, no? Kunin natin yung vertex. Okay? Sige. Post mo muna, then sulat mo yung sagot mo para makita natin. So, sa vertex natin is minus yan. So, ito ay magiging positive. Positive 1 to kasi minus positive 1. Opening of the graph, ang A mo is negative. So, ang magiging opening of the graph mo is downward. Okay? Kung downward yan, nasa maximum ka. Maximum value is at 22 at x equals 1. Equation of axis of symmetry, x equals 1. Okay? Equation of axis of symmetry, ano kasi yan eh? X equals h. So, ano yung h mo? Yan. Yung h mo ay 1. Kaya yung dito ang h mo is negative 2. And then ang ating range, kapag negative, less than yung gagamitin. Plus k, no? So, less than natin yan. Y such that y is less than or equal to 22. Okay. Okay ba? Kung nandito ka, nakaabot ka sa lesson na to, sa video na to, no? Ibig sabihin, you are interested and congratulations, no? Yan. Tuloy natin. Yan, practice na tayo. Ibig sabihin, kayo na. So, transform nyo lang yan into vertex form. Then, identify the vertex. Okay? So, yan. Ken, ipopost mo muna yung video kung kaya mo para matest mo kung natuto ka today. Okay? So, let's see. Yan. Ang vertex form niyan is y equals 3 times x minus 2 squared minus 7. Pag nakuha mo na yan, mabibigay mo na agad yung vertex. Ang vertex natin is negative 2 and negative 7. Sorry. Positive to kasi minus yung sign. Opening of the graph is upward. Maximum, minimum. Maximum o minimum. Pag upward tayo, that is minimum value. Minimum value is k at x equals h. K. Equation of axis of symmetry. Yan. X equals positive 2. Anong range natin? Y such that y is greater than or equal to negative 7. Upward siya, kaya gagamitin natin greater than or equal k. Next. Na. Okay? Yan ang ating vertex form niyan. Then the vertex is positive 3 pa rin. 22. Opening of the graph is downward kasi negative ito, no? Negative. Okay, maximum o minimum? Downward yan, kaya yan ay maximum. Maximum value is 22 at x equals 3. Equation of axis of symmetry, x equals positive 3. Okay, then the range will be less than or equal. Y such that y is less than or equal to positive 22. Okay. Yan. So, meron pa ba? Okay, no more. And thank you and God bless and hope guys you click like and subscribe. Thank you, God bless you. Mama chup chup.